So you bought your favorite helmet with the best graphics and you want to prevent it from scratching, get no scratches on visor, on the shell. Do you want to know how? Presenting the DirtSack Shell Sack, a bag to carry your helmets safely, to store your helmets safely without scratching them. Let's see into detail. So this is a nice small bag from DirtSack. I have already a helmet inside it. Let's see how it works. So you have a zipper. It's a very simple top lid system. Now this is a half face helmet that I have kept. I'll just show you the bag. The bag is very lightweight. It's made up of a textile, lightweight textile. It's lined from a soft. It's got soft lining inside. What I like about the bag has got foam padding on the top, foam padding on the sides and on the bottom. So even if you are storing your helmet and you hit somewhere accidentally, it's not gonna scratch your helmet. So that's how the bag protects it. This very smart thing done by the boys from DirtSack, that they have given a zipper at the bottom of the bag. So you just open the zipper and there's space to keep your stuff. Let's say your phone, wallet, your action camera, pair of gloves, glasses, bike keys. And it's got a nice small handle so you can easily carry it around, or there are two straps, you can convert it as a backpack. Or use just one strap. I have a full face helmet. This is a Bell MX9. It's a dual sport helmet. I have removed the peak, the cowl, but this is a pretty large size helmet. Let's see if it fits. So overall, most of the both full face and half face helmets would fit properly in this. Off-road helmets won't fit. You might have to remove the cowl or the peak in case you want to fit it, but otherwise most of the helmets should fit very easily. Finally, the bag just costs 1100 rupees. For this price, it's great value for money, and I think it's must buy if you are buying a helmet which costs more than 5k, 6k or even more. The cost of the bag is absolutely nothing as compared to the helmet. If you feel this is just a helmet bag, then you are wrong. This bag can also be used as a tank bag or a tail bag. So pretty much very utilitarian, very useful bag, and I think for 1100 rupees it's paisa vasool. If you like the bag, you can buy it from our store in Pune, GT House, or you can even purchase it online from gthouse.shop. The details are given below.